Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to get TinyTask on your mobile device in 2026. You have probably seen tutorials showing you how to download this app on your phone by going to Google and downloading it from websites like Softonic. While you can technically download the file to your phone, here is the reality. TinyTask is strictly a PC application. If you download it on your mobile device, you will only get a Windows executable file that will not actually run on Android or iOS. But do not worry, you can still get the exact same automation experience on your phone. Instead of trying to force a PC file to run, you can use an alternative app built specifically for mobile automation. Open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Clicker or MacroDroid. These applications do exactly what TinyTask does. They allow you to record your screen taps, automate repetitive actions, and set up custom macros effortlessly. Simply install one of these apps, grant the required accessibility permissions in your phone settings, and you will have a fully functioning macro recorder ready to go. It is safer, much easier, and actually works on mobile. Thank you for watching. If you found this update helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.